great quality and perfect for workouts. I absolutely love these resistance band. I do love that it comes in a little pouch, so you can just throw the whole bag in your gym bag and just bring it with you, and use what you need. So it comes in different heaviness. So this is the extra heavy, and I love the resistance on it. I do love that they actually do not slide down. They do stay in place, which is really important. And I just love that you can just throw it in your bag, and there's different levels of resistance depending on what you're working on, what you need. My go-to is just always the black one. I go full strength, so I do love this. Even just having it around at home to give you that extra resistance if you can't make it to the gym. It's just different ways that you can incorporate it in day-to-day, especially if you're a busy mom like me and time is very limited. There are definitely a lot of ways that you can incorporate this into your day-to-day. So you could definitely take a look at the thickness that's on here. Great for targeting the legs, the booty, all that good stuff that we are looking to achieve. And yeah, absolutely love this. Great for any physical therapy, Pilates, working at the gym, extra resistance, walking around at home, taking walks, whatever you need. You can just throw it in this little bag and take it with you, even if you're traveling and you don't want to make it to the gym because you are that person that may not necessarily want to work on vacations like me. This is just another great way to do like a quick 10-15 minutes even in your room. So highly recommend these. Again, they do stay in place to really give that extra resistance. They are pretty stretchy, but they are definitely giving you that resistance. So very durable, they don't snap, all of the things that you're looking for in a resistant bands, these give.